In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All of us have certain plans in our life, certain goals and targets in our life. We want to achieve them. We are of the view that if at all I do succeed in achieving these targets, in fulfilling, achieving these goals and plans of mine, my life will become much better. I shall be able to live honorably and enjoyably. It is not considered so easy to achieve the goals and to fulfill the plans. Maybe because we are of the view, or maybe it is a truth as well, that we are somewhat weak, keeping in view the targets, the plans. Maybe we are not that weak, but we have made ourselves as a weak person. We could not develop, we failed to develop the required strength, the required power. Since we could not achieve the needed power, the needed strength, that is why achievement of our goals seems difficult instead of easy. Today we are going to discuss a plan, a simple plan. This simple plan of ours will develop the kind of strength and power needed to achieve our goals, to fulfill our plans. Obviously, without this power and without this strength, it would not be easy and it would not be possible for us to achieve what we are desirous of achieving, to have what we are desirous of having, to reach where we are desirous of reaching, to develop what we are desirous of developing. One simple plan being discussed and debated upon in our today's talk will make it possible, will make it easy for us to achieve our goals. But it demands certain sacrifices. It demands the payment. We do have to pay the price of success. One thing must be clear to us. On the one hand, we should be ready to pay the price of success. On the other hand, we need to have a right sort of plan. Our today's talk is about developing in ourselves the required strength, the required power. Having this power in our hands, having this power and strength in ourselves will make it possible, will make it possible to achieve our goals. to fulfill our plans, to get our targets done. It is one don't and one do. It is one don't and one do. One don't is whatever you are desirous of doing, willing to do, for the sake of gratification, either abandon it totally or accept it with certain amendments. It is as simple as this one. No complication. Either totally abandoning it or doing it with certain amendments in it, not doing it and taking it unhindered, uninterrupted, unchanged. This is the one don't. And then there is a one do as well. This one do the things we are unwilling to do, not because these are dangerous or bad, but because these are somewhat difficult and unpleasant. If we are not doing it for the simple reason that it is unpleasant or difficult or a little bit complicated, I think we should do it. We should do it because it will make us a strong human being. One don't and one do will procure the much needed power and strength. This power and strength will actually make us a very eligible, very capable, very competent candidate. Candidates for the targets, for the plans, for the goals we have set forward. Thank you.